and Egyptian level. So we're going on to the end of the music now. So you're doing well with this one. You've just got to try and keep your hand in that position at the first bar so that you don't forget those two black keys, all right? Okay, the rule again is if you've got accidentals, and these are accidentals because they're written in the music as they occur, okay, but if it's the same bar and you've got a repeat of the same notes in the music, unfortunately they don't write the flats and sharps again for you. You're expected to just remember to use them again. So they apply for the whole bar, and then the bar line cancels them. So they would have to be written again if they were used in the next bar. So the first bar, keep your hand over those keys so you just use them again. All right, move down one. Okay, so putting that hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat that. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Move down to E, F, G, G sharp, F, E. 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right. So just watch out there with that F sharp to G sharp rather to F. You've got to miss out that key in between. But the first note is G natural. The sharp hasn't occurred on the first one. It occurs on the second G. All right. Then you did fine with this on the next line. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, turn. Now I'm going to carry on. So into bar 12, you just join up where you are at the end of bar 11 with your D. Join onto the F with your third finger. So if you want to write 3 over the top of that, that would be absolutely fine. And maybe an extra slur between those notes. Let's go again from bar 11. Here's the turn. So E, D, F, E, D. Here's these sharps and flats. And then you go back to it. And they've nicely put a sharp in brackets there. I don't know why they've done that. So it's C sharp, B flat again. All right, now at that point, the left hand should have let go because there's a rest. And you move back to the A chord. And this last note in the right hand, I'll hold it with the other hand, that's an A there, all right, with your thumb. So I'm going to do that bar 11 and 12 again. Turn, E, D, keep it all joined up. D, C sharp, wait on the B flat, C sharp, B flat, move the left hand. Okay. Then we wait 2 beats. So make sure you put 2 beats in before you move anywhere. 1, 2. Now you're moving up an octave in the right hand. That's another A. Same as the beginning, isn't it? That's a crotchet. Now here, you've got to change from the 5th finger on the E to the thumb on the E. F, E. Okay, now at this point, you would have the pedal down, all right? The pedal actually goes down there, ped says, all right? And these 2 notes here, hope I don't run out of keyboard on the screen. These 2 notes here are A, C, E. I'm going to put them in so you can write them in, E and A. So that's the next E where you're above where your thumb is. You take the hand up. Yes, I've lost the key, lost it. Just move it back a bit. Okay, so that's where you are. You're moving up an octave to the next E and the A above that. And the fingering is 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Okay, so middle C is here. All right, so that's 1, 2 octaves of middle C, and then it's the E and the A above that. Okay, so I'm just going to play from this group of quavers here. Where it says the R tempo bar. So let go of that tied note because you can't hold it and stretch the chord, it's impossible. Move the hand up. If you play that hands together, if I go from the beginning of that R tempo bar, bar 13, I'm going to put the pedal down and I'm going to keep my left hand down but the pedal down as well, and I'm going to lift the right hand, so it's fine to move the right hand around because the pedal is holding everything. 2, and it's very, very quiet and gentle on that last chord. And there's a pause marking, which means to hold it for longer. I think the idea is that you just hold it until it dies away. It's just sort of more atmospheric, isn't it? And then again, put some counting in this last bit here. So you've got to wait 2 beats there before you go in the right hand. Count this beat, this rhythm here. Wait 2 beats before you play that chord. But you can let go of the E and find the chord. You just got to make sure you're counting. All right. So yeah, there's the pedal, starts there. All right. So I'm going to play all that last section from here, from bar 11. Okay, down here. 1, 2, 3. Let go in the left hand and move it. Pedal down. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1. We've also got a little rit. Polka rit means to slow down a little bit, so the counting will slow down, so you don't need to rush it at the end there either.